Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the YouTube Shorts icon. Want to remove the YouTube Shorts icon from your app? In this video, I'll show you how to hide or remove the Shorts tab step by step. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to use YouTube in browser mode. And to do that, just open YouTube in a browser, whether it's Chrome or Safari, depending on which device you're using. If you're using an Android device, you're going to be using Chrome or Mozilla or etc. And if you're using an iOS device, you can use Safari instead of the YouTube app. For this video, I'm going to use Chrome. Like you see here, and now I'm just gonna search for the YouTube app, YouTube website, and I'm just gonna click on it. The Shorts icon is not present in the desktop version. This means the web browser version of YouTube. Now for the second step is to disable YouTube Shorts by using the YouTube app. And this works on Android only. And to do that, just open the YouTube app. Let's go and open the YouTube app and go to settings by clicking on your profile picture and then clicking on the gear icon, and then go to general. Let's see here, let's click on general and then disable Shorts if the option is available. And the third step is to downgrade to an older version of YouTube. If YouTube has removed the disable Shorts option, you can install YouTube app updates by going to settings and then going to apps and then selecting YouTube and installing the updates, and install an older version of YouTube APK, and this is for Android users only. The fourth step is to use YouTube Advanced, which is for advanced users. You can use YouTube Advanced on Android only. YouTube Advanced is a modified app that allows you customization, including hiding Shorts. If using iPhone, you can't remove Shorts natively, but using YouTube in Safari helps. Third-party YouTube clients may allow you to hide Shorts permanently, and if YouTube updates bring Shorts back, repeat these steps. And now you know how to remove the YouTube Shorts icon for a cleaner experience. Try these steps and customize YouTube the way you like. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.